Cave's a lot bigger.
We're about to enter the tunnels.
Go under the house.
Uh-oh. Dang, how'd they get in here?
Here, I'll push you.
No. Let's see what's going on down here.
Just be careful, guys. I don't know how steep that is. Why his butt?
If your house falls on you, can I have it?
We haven't made our will yet, so that's alright. It's up for battle.
It goes,
We probably should give it to Brandon because he has a kid, right?
it goes.
See, where is this? Is that the bathroom?
Yeah, that's for the sink and stuff. Pressure lines. The toilet. That over there is the shower.
Guys, come poke your head out of the hole. What's the shower?
Over there.
Right there?
No, over there. That's the shower over there.
Oh.
This is the toilet. Probably leak.
Use the toilet. Oh, hey guys, you know what would be creepy?
What?
If you go use the toilet while we're under here.
You want me to go flush it?
Me first? Oh.
That's a house full.
That would suck. Oh. Oh.
Ew. Somebody out there?
Out where?
Wow.
Crazy, huh?
Yeah, it still doesn't make any sense. Why is that going off that way? Hold on.
Dang. I'm getting claustrophobic.
Yeah, why does it come down so far right here? That's weird.
This is a pier.
Oh.
It's elbow shaped, I think they said.